Right, so here I am with Finn, and this is second flight of the FMS Yak-180 after his very successful maiden flight. You ready for this, Finn?
Yep.
All right, over to you. Good luck.
Thank you. This is awesome. I've got timer. Okay, timer's on, I hope.
Forgot your timer, did you?
Yeah, but now it's on, hopefully.
All right, so I want you to do some low passes for me.
Okay, I'll try my best.
Bit closer and lower.
Okay, I'll try my best.
Perfect. Give us a roll next time round.
Okay. Okay, landing. Okay, for second flight.
Well done. So was that half flap again, or was that full flap?
That's half flap again.
I think you could be landing much slower than that.
Yeah, just for the maiden.
I don't think you're letting the jet slow. You need to slow it down. Slow it down.
Yeah.
Let the flaps take effect, and with that drag, and then. But I mean, it's down. You landed on all three wheels that time.
Yeah.
Good stuff. So, would you recommend this Yak-130, Flynn?
Yeah,
Finn?
really good kit to build, really nice flying kit. Also, for people that don't like speed, it can fly slow, but for people that like speed, it can fly fast, so it can do everything if you want. And it can do pretty cool acrobatics and fly scale, so it's, depending what pilot you are, it's good for everything.
God, this kid. I think that's thumbs up from Finn. I couldn't have articulated that better myself. Finn, thanks very much for doing these two videos, flight testing for Essential RC. You're a brilliant member of the team. Thanks very much, and if you enjoyed that, everybody, please subscribe, click the bell icon for notifications of our future uploads and live streams. But otherwise, we'll be back for another one in the near future. Okay, bye everyone. Cheers, Finn.
Thank you.